Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to go ahead and install this M1315 75mm 6500. So let's go ahead and get started here. So first of all, you want to go ahead and grease your disc. All right, once you do that, go ahead and pop it on. Okay, want to grab your first grain, slide it in. Okay, and you want to take your ring, throw it down in there. Let's do this. I'm gonna take my ring, put it at the top, slide this guy down. I'm not gonna go all the way in. Okay. Oh, this is challenging. Okay, there you go. Get my next grain, slide that guy in there. Get my next ring, push this level so slightly in, put that in there. Am I supposed to be greasing these? No? No greasing, no gluing. I find this very odd. First motor that I didn't have to glue or other. Alright, so I'm sliding that one in. Sliding the next O-ring. Sliding the next grain. Making sure to keep the yellow line lined up on these grains. Grab the last O-ring. Look for the yellow right here. Okay, now we have all those in there. Next thing we want to do is, let's see, this is for this guy here. Let's go ahead and lubricate this O-ring here for the nozzle. Now that we got that one lubricated, let's lubricate this one. The delay grain and the forward closure here. I lubricate my threads. And this is to ensure that there's no gases leaking through the threads. This is not for helping me screw this in, because there is no help for that. Other maybe like a vise or plumber's wrench or something like that. Okay. So that's lubricated. Let me lubricate this guy here too, because we don't want anything going out through the forward closure either. Okay, all our components are lubricated. I'm gonna go ahead and lubricate the case, being very careful here. Because it does help when you lubricate the case to pull this guy out. Now that I got that lubricated, I'm gonna go ahead and slide the case over it. Probably can't see me at this point. I am gonna put the nozzle in. And I'm gonna thread it down. Now, as you can see, I didn't thread it all the way, so I'm going to turn it sideways like this, and I'm going to stick this guy, the forward closure, in. Ouch. Why this O-ring does not want to stay. Yeah. Let's help it out here. There we go. And then you want to screw this in all the way. Now that's screwed in all the way. Now we can stand this thing up and start screwing the nozzle in. Okay, I'm gonna leave it here for now. I'm gonna use another tool to help me screw this in, but that's how you assemble this case. So I'm pretty much done here. Just make sure you put your cap on to protect it. And there you go. I am done with this M1315 65 or 75 millimeter 6500. Thanks for watching.